Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Gemini AI to n8n step by step using Google AI Studio. This method is simple and works for most users, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. On the left side of the screen, scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Click on Get API Keys. Once the API Keys page opens, select any active API key you see there. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Now, switch over to n8n. Create a new workflow so we can set everything up from scratch. Inside the empty workflow, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type Gemini and select the Gemini node. Inside the Gemini node, look for the Credentials section. Click Create New Credential. A new window will appear asking for your API key. Paste the API key you copied from Google AI Studio, then click Save. Your Gemini AI account is now connected to n8n. Next, inside the Gemini node, find the Model dropdown. Select any Gemini model you want to use. Once everything is set, click Execute Workflow to test the connection. If the node runs successfully, n8n is now communicating with Gemini AI. And that's it. You've successfully connected Gemini AI to n8n. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.